Understanding drip tray, enhancing your English vocabulary. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss that might pique your interest, especially if you're keen on expanding your English vocabulary. We are going to explore the meaning of the term drip tray, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it is and how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, stay tuned, and let's dive right in. Firstly, let's break down the phrase drip tray into two parts: drip and tray. Drip refers to a small drop of a liquid that falls, often from something that is gradually leaking. Imagine a tap that is not completely turned off, and you see water dripping from it. That's exactly what drip is. On the other hand, tray is a flat, shallow container with raised edges used for carrying, holding, or displaying articles. You might have seen trays in kitchens or restaurants, used for carrying dishes or food. Now, when these two words come together to form drip tray, they refer to a flat container placed underneath something that is likely to leak or drip liquid, in order to catch the drips and keep the surrounding area clean. Now, let's look at some examples to better understand how to use drip tray in sentences. 1. Make sure to empty the coffee maker's drip tray, or it might overflow. 2. Here, the drip tray is a part of the coffee maker, collecting any spilled or dripped coffee to keep the area clean. 3. The mechanic placed a drip tray under the car to catch any leaking oil. 4. In this example, the drip tray is used to catch oil that might be leaking from the car, preventing it from staining the floor. 5. You should put a drip tray under your plant pots to avoid water damage on your wooden floor. 6. This example illustrates using a drip tray to catch excess water that drains out of plant pots, protecting the floor from any potential water damage. To give you a better understanding, imagine a scenario in a kitchen. You've placed your dish rack on the countertop, and underneath it, there's a drip tray. The purpose of this drip tray is to collect any water that drips from the wet dishes, ensuring that your countertop stays dry and clean. You can also find drip trays in refrigerators, under water dispensers, and in many other household appliances. Their main function is always to catch and collect any liquid that drips or spills, preventing mess and making cleaning up easier. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on understanding the term drip tray. We hope that this video has shed light on what a drip tray is and how it is used in different contexts. Remember, enriching your vocabulary is a step closer to mastering the English language, and every new word you learn adds value to your communication skills. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, keep learning, and see you in the next video.